Hi, I'm back. So for today, we'll be checking out this wonderful IEM from Zhulinniao. I'm sorry if I butchered the name of the company, but that's how I read it. So if you have any complaints, you can comment down on the comment section below. But this one is really interesting. I really like the packaging. It's really premium. This is the Zhulinniao, which is the QING LUAN Z4. That's the name of the IEM itself. The Zhulinniao, that's the name of the company. The QING LUAN Z4 is the name of the model of the IEM. So let's check out this box. So it's really premium. I'm really impressed by the packaging. So right before we check out everything, let's unbox this first. So let's unbox it right now. So yeah, very interesting packaging. So here it is, the Zhulinniao, and here it is. It's a small graphic here in the front. So let's open this box. So here it is on the front. As you can see here, it's like a premium phone. This is how it opens. Right there. There's a small papers right here that you can pull out. So here it is, the IEM right here. And this is I'll show it to you later. What's this? When here it is, the case. There's a case here. I believe inside you'll see the cable itself. And here you can see tons and tons of ear tips that you can use to your IEM. Very impressed by this packaging. Very premium feel, very premium product. Maybe you're asking yourself, how much this costs? This may cost for about $50, right? For this packaging, for this quality of packaging. No. It only costs for about $45 US, or around 2,500 pesos. I'll leave a link down below so you can check this out. So very cheap for this packaging, and let's see how it performs on the ear, how it sounds, and everything like that. That's the most important part. So let's check it out. So let's see the quality of the IEM itself. So here is the IEM itself. It's made out of metal. It's shiny. It's a bit rough here. The texture is a bit textured. Right in front, there's a glossy part here, which is a slightly fingerprint magnet, but nothing too harsh. So this is the IEM. It has a weight to it. You can see the quality right here. It's very nice, very shiny. So this is the one I'm talking about earlier. This is removable and replaceable to the ones that I've shown you earlier. Right here. This one. So here's the other tip, the other IEM. Very good, very nice to the touch. It has a little weight in itself, so you know it's premium. I really like the build quality. So here's the tips. So here it says it has a different signature, whatever tips you will need, but I've tested all of this, but I have not experienced I've not heard any significant difference between them. The fit itself is the ones that differs from here, and here. That's the main difference, the fit. But the sound is about the same, as far as I can tell. I'm not the best. Guy to say to you what's different, what's good, and what's not. But I believe the fit is the one that's make the huge difference between these ear tips. So let's see the cable. So here is the pouch, the mini pouch here. Let's open this pouch. Here is your cable, of course, your cable. So there's also a cover right here for your the grill on the IEM, if you know what I mean. So here is the cable. It's made out of plastic or rubber, I think. So it's a high quality rubber. It doesn't feel cheap. It's still a high-end. I feel like a high-end IEM. It has a quality to it. It doesn't scream cheap like other IEMs that I've tried before. So I'm really impressed by it. So right now I've tested its sound quality. And I'm very surprised of what sound, of what quality it produces. So if you're into bright and treble, or if you want the vocals to be the center of the music you're listening into, and if you're not into bass, I think this is the perfect fit for you, the perfect IEM. The bass is quite weak to my liking. So if you're fine with a subtle bass, and if you want just bright, sometimes it's too bright, but it's not overwhelming. So the mids are okay. It's not the best, but for the quality of the sound of the voice, the brightness, the treble, the separations of the instruments, you can hear the separation. It's really, really good for the price. So if you're not into bass and you're into the treble side of the side of the music, or this if you want the vocals to pop out, the clarity is amazing on this IEM. I'm really impressed. The clarity, the treble, the vocals. If you're into that kind of stuff, this is the perfect fit for you. But sometimes it's too bright and it's borderline, sometimes irritating. That's for me. That's for my taste. But for you, for an average consumer, this is, if you want that sound signature, you will be perfectly fine with it. But this one is for people who want specific stuff. If you want vocals, if you want treble, and don't mind a weak bass, this is for you. But if you're a bass head, if you want low frequency sounds, and this one might not be the one for you. So that's my take on it. So here is the short conclusion of this IEM. As I said earlier before, the sound, if you're into bright, to clarity and vocals, this is the right fit for you. And if you're into bass, this might not be the one for you. The fit is great right here. I use the green one, the green tips. There's not really much difference in sounds. Whatever it is that you're using, the ear tips that you want to use, there's not much of a difference in sound profile. But the fitment is great for this color, the green tip, the green and white tip. It looks great. It looks really professional. I really like the overall quality of this IEM, the overall presentation, the box. You really get what you pay for here. I'll leave a link if you have more questions regarding this IEM. And for overall quality and the sound, the package, I think it's really, really good for $45 or 2,500 pesos. You can't beat this product. It's really great. I really like the overall sound quality for the price. It's really, really unique. I have not used a IEM with this caliber, which is very different for what I've used to. For something different, this is one to consider. But as I said earlier, this is for a very particular user who likes clarity and vocals. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you Zhulinniao for sending this product for review. And if you have more questions, feel free to comment down below. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.